Do you know why top companies like Amazon, Google, and Netflix dominate the world while you struggle to make ends meet? It's simple. They have armies of employees, top-level experts, and unlimited resources doing all the hard work for them, while you do everything alone. Of course, you can pay thousands of dollars to hire an employee for your business, but hiring quality employee has always been a challenge. No matter how much effort you put in, project deadlines still get missed. You spend countless hours sorting through applications and conducting interviews. Inefficiencies and skill gaps become evident. You encounter empty promises and underwhelming outcomes. Conflicts and complaints are inevitable, and the challenges don't end there. Even you try to be your own marketer, designer, content writer, project manager, and even sales closer. No wonder you still don't get results, despite working days and nights, because you see, your issue isn't with knowledge. It's that you are trying to do everything on your own. This is understandable. When you're first starting, it's very hard and expensive to hire people to help you, but not anymore. Imagine having a dedicated team of AI employees tirelessly working for you around the clock, 24/7, without paying them any salaries. What if you could effortlessly assign these AI employees to handle multiple projects, work together seamlessly as a team, and do all the grunt work for you and your clients? What if you can have developers, designers, coders, video editors, social media marketers, project managers, content creators, and even HR and CEOs working tirelessly 24/7 on your business and taking it to the next level? Even if you don't have a business, they will create and operate an entire profitable business for you in seconds. Yes, seconds. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay them anything, and they don't take any time off. I'm talking about hiring highly trained AI employees that works 24/7 for you and your client's business without paying them any salaries, who will do everything, anything to make you money. Introducing TeamBuddy AI. Brand new AI app that lets you build your very own profitable AI-driven company or office preloaded with 50 plus highly trained AI employees that works 24/7 for you and your client's business without paying them any salaries in just 60 seconds. It enables you to create, manage, and customize AI staff, departments, and projects effortlessly. Perfect for building an AI-driven agency business and unlock new revenue streams. With TeamBuddy AI, you get instant access to a complete automated workforce. AI developers to code apps and websites, AI designers to create logos, products, and stunning graphics, AI copywriters to write sales pages, ads, and content, AI funnel hackers to build sales machines that print money, and 50 plus more roles. All working for you so you don't have to do anything. Here's how easy it is to get started with TeamBuddy AI. Step 1, log into TeamBuddy AI. Step 2, launch your own AI-driven company or office and hire 50 plus highly trained AI employees that works 24/7 for you. Step 3, assign any project to AI employees and get it done within seconds and watch the money roll in. That's it. No learning curve, no manual work, no headaches. Imagine launching a business with zero upfront cost, zero risk, and zero experience and making $100, $200, even $300 a day without hiring anyone, learning any skills, or wasting weeks of your life. What's the secret behind TeamBuddy AI? This isn't just another tool. It's a revolutionary AI platform that automates everything a business needs to thrive. From creating websites to writing ads, from building products to designing logos, from finding clients to closing deals. And it's all done for you by our fully automated AI-powered workforce. TeamBuddy AI works for anyone, affiliate marketers, freelancers, coaches, local business owners, and even total beginners with zero experience. All you have to do is turn it on and it does the rest. Now, you're probably thinking this must cost a fortune, right? In simple words, TeamBuddy AI is priceless. It's the first to-market app that does everything for you, leaving one job for you, profits. And honestly, we were going to charge $997 for TeamBuddy AI, but wait, we wanted to make this accessible for everyone. That's why for a limited time, you won't pay $997. You won't even pay $497. Today, you can get your hands on TeamBuddy AI for a small one-time payment less than the price of a Domino's pizza. But wait, it gets even better. If you act right now, you'll also get these incredible bonuses worth $5,000 plus absolutely free. Plus, you're 100% protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't make any money with TeamBuddy AI or you just change your mind, we'll refund every penny back to you. So what are you waiting for? TeamBuddy AI is your chance to break free from the grind, build a business that works for you, and finally achieve the financial freedom you deserve. But you have to act fast. This offer is only available for a short time, and once it's gone, after that, we are raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. So why are you waiting for? Click the button below and join the thousands of people who are already changing their lives with TeamBuddy AI. Don't miss out. Get started today. We'll see you inside.